$20. I would just.
Do you want to be a participant?
Yes.
You want to be a model?
Yes.
Okay. No, good luck. Good luck. Good luck with that.
Yes.
The designers, they don't just dress ladies, they dress everybody.
Men, kids, and women.
When I say everybody, I mean everybody who wear clothes. Yes. If you dress your dog, a designer can do that.
Okay.
And you have your dog well dressed. So I say.
Yeah, the People's General.
Yes, thank you. How are you?
Mr. Shelton, how do you want to be addressed here?
I want to be addressed as Mr. Shelton Chiangwa, the country director for Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe.
The country director for Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe.
Yes.
That is the background banner that we are seeing here.
Yes.
Tell us what is happening here.
So today we are officially launching Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe, the pageant. This is a male pageant where we are seeking and are looking for young men that will become ambassadors to represent Zimbabwe at the international platform. But also, most importantly, we are using this platform to fight against the issues of drug abuse that has overtaken our country, issues of mental health, which has also led and which has caused us to see young men taking their own lives because they are not given platforms to speak about issues affecting them. But also, we have also learned today as we were launching that Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe becomes a movement which is going to change the narratives and the lives of young people across the country. So today, we are officially launching.
So we even having male models.
Yes. So this is, as it actually says, it is Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe. So it's specifically for men. Yes. So we are going to be having Mr. Heritage and Mr. Teen Heritage. It's specifically for men who are into modeling and fashion.
Modeling and fashion.
Yes.
What body size do you want? What positivity or
All right. So we are no longer. The world has fast moved from the mentality that people had that models must specifically have a certain type of body. We are looking for brains. We are looking for substance. So anyone with any body shape can be a part of Mr. Heritage. And we are taking people from the ages of 19 to 35, and then teens from where the teens start to where the teens end.
and do you have to be handsome because we want to
So handsomeness is in the hands or in the eyes of the beholder, if it is the correct word.
Yes.
But we are saying we are here as Mr. Heritage not to look for beauty or handsomeness of people, but what they can do for the country, how they can change our communities through various work that they are going to be doing. So we are not here to be looking for who dresses smart, who is more handsome than the other, but we are looking for people who are willing to go out there and change the lives of a young man who is dying of drugs, of a young man who does not know what to do anymore, of a young man who is heading a family but does not have a support structure, of a young man who wants to pursue education but does not have the resources, of a young man who is hopeless to start giving them hope and dream again.
Okay, I see. So those who want to participate, how do they join?
All right. So we do have various platforms. We have got WhatsApp, Facebook, and we have got our website. So those who want to sign up to become a finalist or a contestant, they can contact us. We've got our numbers that are all over our social media platforms. A registration for you to become a contestant is $20 only. And we are looking for participants from across the country. We need representatives from each and every province of this country, and they are going to be then shortlisted, and after them being shortlisted they will then qualify to be in the finals. But those that you saw today, because they've honored an invitation to come to the launch, they are automatically in the finals and they did not have to pay the registration of $20.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shelton. I'm glad I will not have to pay the registration of $20. I will just.
Do you want to be a participant?
Yes.
You want to be a model?
Yes.
Okay. No, good luck. Good luck. Good luck with that.
Yes. You can say one or two words. I think these are your panelists.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Thank you as well.
Yes.
All right.
How are you, sir?
Baba Mundurofara Magadi.
Profana Jesh.
Yeah, I'm good.
Sit down there.
It's Tarangundur Zato Chivisha. I'm one of the coordinators with Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe.
Yes. What
movement.
inspired? What inspired?
Like we have said, kuti Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe is a movement. We want to create a culture yekuti it's not only the ladies who should be models, because only looking at the girl child, but tiri kuti ngatitarise mwana semwana, and it actually tiri kufamba tichiti we want to create a culture yeubuntu or unhu, to bring back unhu kuvana vedu, whether angakura baba aja baba, whether angaregererwa ari mudiki, we are saying bring back that child, and tiri kudzorera vana to our heritage. Saka ndosaka tatise movement yekuti toda kudemystify nyaya yekuti supermodeling is for only for ladies. No, that's why I bring it to men.
Okay,
Yeah,
I see.
yeah.
And then, what's your name?
My name is Tobian Augustus Nations. That's my name.
That's it.
I know.
Inspiring name.
Inspiring name. Yes.
What's your role in this?
Okay, so I'm a heritage practitioner and I'm also part of Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe. I think that's my
Heritage practitioner. What is heritage practitioner?
Okay, so when you're a heritage practitioner, you're an expert in terms of issues to do with heritage, Ubuntu, our traditions and our norms in Zimbabwe, in Africa, if I may say.
So this movement does not only zealous people, but actually experts.
Yes.
in this field.
It has to have experts. I think when we were discussing, we said that in as much as Mr. Heritage is concerned, it is not just a beauty pageant. We are not here to express only beauty, but this is an idea that goes beyond the lines of beauty. We are talking about a philosophy, and when I say a philosophy, I mean a way of life. So when you see people from Blawayo coming to participate in Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe, they are not just coming to show the beauty of Matabeleland, but they are coming to show the way of life of Matabeleland. If you hear Mr. Shelton, you are talking, the winner of Mr. Heritage Zimbabwe is going to represent Zimbabwe in Philippines. So as Zimbabweans, we are not going to show our beauty in Philippines, but we are showing our way of life. This is our identity, and we have seek certain avenues, to show our way of life as Zimbabweans. And I think this Mr. Heritage as a movement is a good platform for that.
No, I'm glad that the winner will represent in Philippines. It's not just a local movement.
No, this is not a local movement. And I think when Mr. Shelton was saying, we are not just giving, a prize to the winner, but all of the three, top three winners are going to get a prize. The first one is representing in Philippines. The other one is going to go in where is this one on
Thailand.
Thailand as well. So this is not just something that is small. It is something that we have taken upon our hearts to then say, as Zimbabweans, we all have a role to play as citizens, and our role to play is to make sure that Mr. Heritage gets to uplift a boy child and make them show our way of life unto the world.
Mr. Shelton, I'm so glad that my first trip will be to Philippines. Yes, and I'll wait. Thank you for such a good initiative, and we'll be there to update people all along the way. Any last words?
No, my last words would be I'm so grateful to have met and partnered with Mr. Augustus. But also, most importantly, I want to thank everyone. We have come here to support this launch. I want to thank Mr. Thomas and his team, and everyone who is here present. I want to thank them. But we also want to thank the owners of this place, Saints and Sinners, for giving us this place. And we are grateful. Thank you very much.
You are invited for food.
And you really look like heritage.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
From where I came from as a designer, what mostly inspired me was fashion. In the fashion industry was modeling. I've done a lot in the modeling industry, mostly with the female side of modeling, but now with this male part of modeling, expecting to achieve more and to showcase what I can do as a designer in the male industry as well.
Yeah, because I see a lot of people, they are not receptive to male designs. Like, you just wear jeans and...
It's not like they're not receptive. For those jeans to be there, as you said, we wear jeans. Somebody was behind some sheets, fabrics, and everything to design them. But what we do mostly as men, we don't look for labels when we're wearing our outfits. That makes it sound as if male, they don't recognize designers that much as ladies, because ladies are that particular in what they wear than male. But when pageantry is now coming to the male side of the version, that means at least we have that recognition that designers, they don't just dress ladies, they dress everybody.
Men, kids, and women.
When I say everybody, I mean everybody who wear clothes. Yes. If you dress your dog, a designer can do that.
Okay.
And you have your dog well dressed. So I say everybody is in everyone who adorn themselves with fabrics.
So,
a designer can do that.
So what would you say to someone who would want to be part of this movement, either as a participant, as a supporter?
I won't say anything. I will ask, what are you waiting for? Get on board.
Thank you, Mr. Nibay.
You're
You
welcome.
should find me one customized.
You're welcome. Just look for Nandi. I'm ready for you. I'll make sure you're happy.
On social media.
Yes.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and we are out.
Thank you so much.